Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. If your JPG or JPEG files are not opening in Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. Before we start, try opening a different JPG image on your computer. This will help you to determine whether the issue is with the Photos app or with a particular JPG file. If you are facing this issue with all JPG files, then try the following methods to fix this issue. So as you can see, this is the image file I have and this is a JPG file as you can see. Now, the first thing you can do is open this image file in Paint. So for this, you have to right click on it. Then go to this option, open with, then click on this Paint option. So you can use this Paint app to open this image file, this JPG file. The next method you can try is set Photos as a default app. For this, you have to right click on the image. Then go to this option, open with. Then click on this option, choose another app. Now you have to select this option Photos. Okay. Select this option Photos. Then click on this option Always. This will set Photos as the default app. The next method you can try is repair the Photos app. For this, you have to first open settings. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option, click on it. On the left side, click on this apps option. After that, on the right side, click on this option installed apps, click on it. Click on this search box and then type Photos. You will see this Photos app. After that, click on this three dot, then click on this option Advanced Options, click on it. Scroll down, then click on this Terminate option. After that, click on this Repair option. Now you have to wait. After completing this process, try opening the JPG file again. In the next method, we are going to reset Photos app. For this, you have to again open settings, then go to this Photos option, then click on this three dot, then click on this option Advanced Options. Now scroll down, then click on this option Reset, click on Reset. After completing this process, restart your computer and check again. Now move on to the next method. Open Run command. For this, you have to press Window key and R button together. So this will open Run command like this. After that, you have to type this command, then click on OK. So this will open Windows services. Now you have to look for a service called Windows License Manager service. Okay. Right click on this service, then go to Properties. Make sure the service is running. Okay. Then click on OK. After that, you have to restart this service. Right click on it, then click on Restart. After that, restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. In the next method, we are going to reinstall Photos app. For this, you have to again open settings. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Settings. On the left side, click on Apps. After that, on the right side, click on this option Installed Apps. In the search box, type Photos. In this Photos option, click on these three dots. Then click on this option Advanced Options, click on it. Now scroll down and then click on this option Uninstall, click on it. So this will uninstall this app. After that, open Microsoft Store. In the search box, type Microsoft Photos and you will see this app, Microsoft Photos. Click on this option Get. After completing this process, restart your PC and try opening the JPG file again. In the next method, we are going to open Command Prompt. For this, you have to click on this search box. After that, type Command Prompt. You will see this kind of option. Right click on it, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on it. In this command prompt, you have to type this command. This command will scan and repair system files. So type this command carefully, then press enter. After completing this process, restart your PC and try opening the JPG file again. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.